I guess this is how y'all build a mini bike, boys. I don't know. She done.
This is taking us.
But I got the sweet pick. Ain't nobody waiting for nothing. We're going to pick her up straight from the source. We're getting these parts today because that's how you do it in Texas.
Secret.
We cut right to the source. All right, boys, I done cleaned him up a spot. I'm trying to give him a fair shot. He was wanting to do it with piles and piles of stuff everywhere.
That's not true.
So it's up to him from now on. Look at how it started, though.
This is what y'all want to see. Is it? I don't know. Y'all haven't said anything. Y'all need to start commenting, liking, and sharing as well. We're about to unbox this Predator motor. That's a 212, and it's a Hemi.
It's a Hemi.
At first, you know, they send you a manual. Nobody's gonna read that. Don't touch that. Pull that sucker up out of there. You want to just grab it by anything you can get your hands a hold of. It smells new.
We got some parts on the way. We're like that. We hit up Go Powersports. Pretty much you give them your money and they'll give you parts, but we're getting them today. We don't have to wait on no shipping.
Don't even try and get that done. This is some secret, top secret stuff. This ain't no middle of the mall deal.
Nope.
This is the real deal.
It's being picked up and dropped off as we speak.
But
smuggled, if you will.
We're gonna go ahead and gut the motor. We're gonna take it all apart, and then we're gonna build it. And we just gonna build it so good. Y'all, nobody's done this, I don't think, before.
Pretty much try to sawzall off the muffler and then unbolt it.
With your work, or
Dude,
else you can't have fun.
But I understand. Why are you going to sawzall it off first and then unbolt it? Why don't you just unbolt it and it's
I
done?
get paid by the hour. So what's the real deal? Your sawzall don't work, or did I not bring it back again?
No, you brought it back, but it don't work.
Okay.
Both, I guess. All right, that's pull off. These are takeoff parts.
See that?
We're gonna get them out of his way. He wants to stack them all on the workbench.
We need to keep that for our header. So
nice. Gas shoots out now.
She's not that.
Not too bad.
Now we got that off. See that?
Right back in his work
trash.
I can tell.
Now we're gonna go ahead and remove this throttle linkage.
Blake's actually catching a groove here.
Oh yeah.
Don't drop it in there. Wait till you get.
It won't drop.
Okay.
It can't. You have to.
Why does it have a pin on it if it can't drop in there?
Because it can still fall down a little bit unless we're gonna start it.
No.
But look, you have to cut it off
gotcha.
right here to get it to fall through, and you have to move the motor if you want to take the governor out without removing your piston and your shaft.
All this just comes it's pretty much garbage right from the factory?
Just about.
Yeah, that's a view you guys get a lot right there.
We want to unhook the oil sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and pull off this, the pull cover and stuff to get to the flywheel because we got a place to put our new billet on it. This, and then that. We gotta tap on this and pry at the same time and it'll come right out.
Instead of using a puller?
Yeah, who uses a puller?
Okay. So just pry right against these?
Yeah. That's what I do. In the most weakest part of the motor.
And now to be honest, we both know that I have a puller. That's already almost out, except for on this side.
Well, you gotta.
My God almighty. That's unreal.
It's okay.
So yeah, it was the dead blow, but I just didn't want to turn you loose with a 3-pound sledge on it right off the bat. Got her. Now we got more pressure on him.
Yeah.
Dude, these guys curried it right over. Do you guys even work for Go Powersports?
No, I work for Casper ATVs.
Oh, nice. Got it brought over quick.
That's some Cristal. That's what that's made out of.
Wanted the Hemi power valve cover, but
they didn't have it. But
Next
30
best
bucks
thing.
compared to 60.
oh boy,
I don't even want to take it out yet.
man, where's that old one?
Look at that.
Some
Got
stuff.
billet rod.
Oh boy.
You gotta put that sucker on high.
Oh yeah. That right there.
That's gonna be fun.
You won't tear.
It's like the cam.
Damn, it's nice and early.
265 hot cam. Yeah, they make sure they
Oblong.
get it nice and oiled up.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Flat top piston.
Oh.
Look at that. That's also
Why?
cast aluminum. Bracelets.
It's 8 of them.
That's a cock ring, bro.
That's pretty
Yeah, little ones.
a little small. Yeah. He's got a small dick. This is all carburetor parts.
Wicked Q.
Look at that. That looks pretty good. Got the driver pulley.
Cool. We're gonna organize all this shit so that you can get a good look at it. To be honest with you boys, I already knew what the deal was gonna be. They didn't send the valve springs with the kit. So, because I ain't driving over there. They'll have them here next week or some shit. I knew it was gonna result in 2 trips. Mofo. No valve springs. That sucks. A lot.
We're about to throw on this flywheel. I mean, I think you're supposed to put some valve grinding compound on there, but
On the flywheel?
on the shaft.
Oh. What?
Yeah, got her on. She's nice and good. We torqued her down to 8 ooga boogas or doogas.
1 crack-a-lacka?
Yeah.
Aight then.
Don't freak out when you take off your left side cover, because just know your cam's gonna come with it, and all your bolts are gonna fall off and hit the ground. But these are the easiest things to time in the world. There's just a dot right here, and then there's a dot on this one too. All you do is match the dots up. Also, we're gonna want to delete this. We're gonna want to take out that oil sensor, and then we're gonna finish taking out the governor and the plastic gear in there, and then we're gonna have a lot of fun getting that C-clip out.
Quit watching him for a minute. I'm gonna go have a beer because guys, I'm about to pass out watching him. And then
Yeah, now that y'all about left, I almost got you.
so we were struggling with the rings. I've never even had to use this tool, but I put Blake onto it. Let me get all right. Your review, Amazon. This is what you call a ring compressor. I've honestly rebuilt tons of 2-strokes, never used one, but 4 strokes it's necessary because there's a lot more ring. Boy, now that engine's pretty much gutted. There's nothing in there, boys. So there you go, brand new flat top.
Ooh.
That's gonna make it lope or what?
Oh yeah.
So tell them what that is.
It's that 265 hot cam.
Show them how to throw down the timing.
You just
Got
gotta
it all
match
on.
up these 2 dots. Get it in the hole
The
right.
dot and the arrow.
Just these 2 right here like that. There you go. That's how you time it. It's in time now.
Cool. It was just a little late.
Exactly.
Sweet boys. So that's the cam. That's a big mod, you say?
Oh yeah, 265 hot cam.
What's that gonna allow? Much faster rotation of the motor? Higher
Yep.
RPM?
Mm-hmm. And it'll give it about close to 60 something foot-pounds of torque.
We'll see about it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all, I got the phone just in time. He's trying to go as fast as he can. He's about to torque these boys down.
No.
This is my first time, and I just got to looking around.
No.
Hey, what about them buckets, dog?
Yep.
No.
No. You know we were just mocking this up.
And you know we wouldn't start cinching all them bolts for pretends, boys.
Yeah, you know we would. Hey, it wasn't nothing cinched.
He was about to bust out the T-handle and really get to cranking them some bitches
No,
down.
I got the impact.
How bad that belt is. I want to see it smoke, too.
Oh, it's gonna smoke.
If you can't smoke one of these puny-ass fucking belts, then your engine isn't really built, in my opinion.
All right, well, we got the billet flywheel in, the billet rod, flat top piston, 265 hot cam. Tomorrow we got to follow up with the valve springs and put on the 22 millimeter carb. But she'll be ready to fire up tomorrow and put on the header.
Nice. And this is all just the parts that we yanked. Look at that, all my sockets are back, guys. Daggone. We're about to call it a day for the day. We went ahead and quit there because we got to put the valve springs in, but don't turn the motor over, whatever you do.